Welcome to AGORACOM Small Cap Stock News for Thursday, May the 22nd, 2014. I'm your host, Alan Barry Labucan. I'm also the Chief Market Commentator for AGORACOM. Each morning I go through a bunch of press releases, try to find the ones that stand out to me. I talk about what it was in their news that caught my interest, and then I also go into what I see in the stock charts. The show is generally about 10 minutes long. We have 3 companies to talk about today, so we'll have no problem with that time frame. I'm going to start with the first company I have today to talk about is Mega Precious Metals. Mega Precious Metals had drill results out earlier today from their project in Manitoba. It's up in the Monument Bay. They own 100% of this project, and their highlight hole intersected 61 meters of 3.44 grams per ton gold. Included in that was a subinterval of 6.64 grams per ton gold over 30 meters, and they've expanded their high grade and have continuity near surface at their Monument Bay project. So very good results from that drilling. I'm just going to pull up the stock chart now. Stock's up 3 cents today. It's up 25%. It's traded 707,000 shares so far today, and it's last at 15 cents. So the market liked what they saw in the news. That's a 25% move. Just looking at the stock chart, they had a bottom in December at around 8.5 cents, moved up to 24 by mid-March, have been giving back a lot of those gains, almost most of those gains, but lately it's been bottoming out, and now that they had this good news, it popped above some of its moving averages. So there's some good signs there with the stock chart. That it has bottomed and is trying to start an upswing, and now that they got these good results, I think that that's a possibility. MGP is their stock symbol on the Venture Exchange, and that's a good one to check out. The next company that I wanted to talk about is North Arrow Minerals. North Arrow Minerals announced today that they've completed their spring exploration project at the Redemption Project, which is in the Northwest Territories. It's in the Lac de Gras area, which is where all the big mines have been found in the Northwest Territories. The Acadie and Diavik are both up there. They've got good results from their summer or from their spring work program. They've been able to identify some good targets, and they're getting ready to do that work this summer. Drilling some of those targets this summer, and looking for some new kimberlites up there in near Lac de Gras. So that's a very exciting program. The stock's up 3 cents today. It's only traded 6,700 shares. Last at 73 cents, so that's up 3 cents today. North Arrow stock, it's a very patchy trader. This company could use some help on the audience building. I have done some homework on the company before, and they do have a very strong management team with a lot of experience and success with diamonds. So they definitely have a good story to tell. Their stock symbol is NAR. And they trade on the Venture Exchange. And the final company today is Donnycreek Energy. Donnycreek Energy came out with their interim reserves as of March 31st, 2014. And they had a very good, they're proven and probable, 16 million barrels. They have it growing. They've got a lot of good information in there, and the company only has 54 million shares out. So, you know, I like these companies when they are growing their proven and probable reserves, and I like their growth potential. The market liked the news today. The stock's up 14 cents that's a 6.3% gain on 444,000 shares traded hands. It's last at $2.35. This one had a low way back in September as their 52-week low, and was trading at around $1.66 back then. Moved all the way up to $3.20 in the subsequent 6-month period. Since then, it's been giving back some of those gains, and it touched $1.80 as it was giving back some of those gains. But since it's touched $1.80, it kind of had a move up, and then some sideways action, and then another move up. I like a lot of what I'm seeing with this stock chart, and I think there's a really good chance that I'll be talking about it on the best of the best weekly stock picks later this week. DCK is their stock symbol, and they trade on the Venture Exchange. So that's a wrap on the news for today. Before making any investment decisions, it's important for you to do your homework and speak with your financial advisors. Join us. You can find all of our work on blog.agoracom.com, at agoracom.com, and on my website at allenberryreports.com. On that note, you have a great day, and we will talk to you soon.